So, hello everyone. For today's video, we are going to perform our activity entitled Polygraph Under Pressures, Analyzing Accuracy Factors. But before we will start, please help me to introduce my group first. I am Flora May Jacosa Obot.
I am Ivy Jimenez Mendola. I am Yaambus Murakaki.
I am Dexter Sigatillo.
I am Jerry Gilbert.
A polygraph test measures physiological responses such as heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, and perspiration to detect deception. However, their nervousness can cause similar physiological changes, leading to false positive results. In this case, a suspect with a high heart rate due to anxiety appears deceptive, even if they are telling the truth. So we choose case number 1, because case number 1 is all about a nervous suspect with a high heart rate falsely appears deceptive. Analysis of the case study. A suspect experiences nervousness leading to an increased heart rate, which may be misinterpreted as deception by the polygraph examiner.
These are the factors affecting polygraph accuracy in this case. First is physiological factor. Nervousness trigger the body fight or flight response, increasing heart rate and sweating. Next is irregular breathing patterns due to stress can cause misleading polygraph reading. Second is psychological factor. Fear of being wrongly accused can heighten stress level. Individuals with anxiety disorder may naturally exhibit heightened psychological response even when the truthful. Third, examiner competence and experience. Examiner may interpret stress as deception. Failure to establish a proper baseline response may lead to an accurate result. Last is environment factor. An immediately or high pressure interrogation setting can worsen anxiety. Last is lack of proper pretest preparation can increase stress level in the suspect.
Next, these are proposed solutions to impose accuracy. So, number 1, pretest interview and baseline establishments. Conduct a thorough pretest interview to assess the suspect's neutral stress levels. Ask control questions. Example is the name to difference normal anxiety from deception. So number 2 is creating a comfortable testing environment to ensure the testing room is quiet, private, and non-threatening. The next is give the suspect time to relax before beginning the test.
The third one, proper examines training. Train examiners to recognize the difference between anxiety and deception-related psychological responses. Use multiple questioning techniques to assess consistency in responses. The fourth one, using alternative methods. Implement cognitive based interview or voice stress analysis to supplement polygraph findings. Consider psychological evaluations for highly anxious individuals before conducting the test.
Lesson learned. Anxiety can cause false positive. Proper training and stress management can improve test accuracy. Polygraph test should not be the sole basic for truth verification.